My name is Nhyira Premium and welcome to our course on financial reporting. If you are watching this video, it means that you have a plan of writing financial reporting in the ICAG professional qualification examination. Now listen, our financial reporting course is designed in such a manner to help you to really understand the accounting standards, which is going to be 45% minimum in the exam hall, consolidated financial statement 20 marks, ratios, which is evaluation of financial statement, another 20 marks, and then conceptual framework and other fundamental theory issues, including ethics, that you must understand before you go into the examination. Now, enrolling in our course provides you with a lot of benefits, which you can read more about in the description of this course. But let me give you a snapshot of the things that you are likely to get when you enroll in this course right now. In addition to the pragmatic intensive 12 sessions that we are going to be running, you are also going to be getting access to all of the recorded videos on our website as well as in the Nhyira Premium mobile application. What it means is that if you miss a session, there is no need to worry. You can watch the playback of the video right on our website or in the mobile application. The beauty of our mobile application is that you can download the lecture videos and watch them without the need for an internet connectivity. What it means is that there is no need for you to be bothered that, oh, how can I get through 3-hour video with expensive data cost? No, once you download the video, you can watch the playback without the need for the internet. In addition to this, you are also going to get access to our summary videos on all of the key issues that you must understand in financial reporting. It means that you get access to all the summary videos on the accounting standards. So name it, IAS 2 inventories, IAS 8 accounting policies, changes in accounting estimate and errors, IAS 10 events after the reporting period, IAS 12 income tax, IAS 16 property, plant and equipment, IAS 20 government grants, IAS 23 borrowing costs, IAS 36 impairment of assets, IAS 37 provisions, contingent liabilities, contingent assets, IAS 38 intangible assets, IAS 40 investment property, IFRS 15 revenue from contract with customers, IFRS 16 leases, IFRS 9 financial instruments, IAS 21 effects of changes in exchange rate, and all of the accounting standards that you need to understand to position yourself to pass the financial reporting examination. In addition to that, you also get access to the summary videos on consolidated financial statement. This is 20 marks waiting for us in the exam hall, and understanding the principles about consolidation will help you to position yourself to pass the examination. Then you come to evaluation of financial statement and all other issues. What it means is that sometimes you don't even have to go watch the 3-hour video. All you need is to go to the summary sessions, and then whatever accounting standard you want to watch, whatever topic that you are dealing with, go there, watch the summary videos, and then boom, you are able to now solve some questions and go through the syllabus as fast as possible to position yourself to pass the examination. And these summary videos can also be downloaded and exclusively accessible right in the Nhyira Premium mobile application. So you are going to get access to all of these things, and remember, you are going to be held accountable. You are going to be mentored. You are going to be guided. Remember, it is not just about your ability to understand the contents in the syllabus. It is important you understand the structure of the questions, the way you're supposed to write out your answers, your handwriting, working with your speed and accuracy. All of these are built into our pragmatic 12-week session to help you so you can position yourself to pass the examination. Listen, we understand what it takes to pass this examination. We know what exactly you have to do to put yourself in the position to help you to pass this examination. In addition to these, you get access to our live practice question right on the website, which will help you to really work on your time, work on your speed, work on your ability to remember things, and work on your ability to able to call on the principles and apply them when they are needed. Listen, enrolling in this course I can guarantee you will help you so you understand the scope of the syllabus very well, know exactly what the examiner expects you to do, and most importantly, go to the exam hall, write with confidence, and be able to pass the examination. So what are you waiting for? Just click the Add to Cart button, complete your enrollment, join our community. We want to assist you, mentor you, provide you with the blueprints that you need so you can pass your financial reporting examination. It doesn't matter. Maybe this is your first time or you've written it before. It doesn't matter. Whatever your story is, we have designed our program in such a manner to really walk you through it. But the most important thing is it is pragmatic, it is well guided, and it's well structured, putting you at the forefront to help you to go through the program so you can prepare well to pass the examination. So I'll see you during our live sessions as I mentor you, provide you with the blueprints that you need to pass the examination. Click on the Add to Cart and complete your enrollment today.